Good morning, rail fans, and 6418 900 on 84 this morning. Everyone just did their brake testing and getting ready to do their switching. It looks like they got a lot of cars to leave for Goddard today.
Yeah.
That's 568 did fill up this yard yesterday a little bit, so.
Starting to smoke again. Holy crap.
There goes 2117 again. Something's going on. That's been going on with 2117.
When you're ready, self-track be ready. Switch. Point your thumb, I'll be position safety. You're okay, back, clear ladder switch. Position safety, back, clear ladder. Correct.
There we go. He's gonna test his bell and his horn, maybe. If everyone's doing their first move, they're on the move. Or maybe you're really not on the move.
Here he comes.
Yeah, there comes the Via. Here's a few
I'm
minutes.
gonna walk up, see who's on there.
Yeah, there were some friendly guys on last night, so.
Was there?
Yeah, they. Oh, his headlights are dimmed. They're not even on! What? Yeah, their headlights are not even on. There goes 581. Not ringing his bell or his horn like he normally does. Oh, the engineer's out there.
There's one green light on up there. Is there on this side?
Yeah, that's the Via's.
That guy in the black in that truck there, he used to work for CN.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Sandy, come on, let's walk up and see who's on.
Yeah.
Put that salt empty on the tail end. Okay.
Maybe his headlight fuse is not working again, or is it he's deciding not to have them on?
You bring her to a stop there when you can, 521. Stop, 521.
Good time for the SM. So it's not interrupted.
Stay back, 521. Clear ladder switch. Position safety. Confirming total business is Bradford, over? We don't have Okay, thank you.
No business for here. No business for here. I don't know if they're gonna stop. We'll find out. Morning show. They're slowing. Here. No, they just went right by. No stop here this morning. That is something I have never seen before. No stop for Stratford. If I had one test did their Hawks. Yeah.
One car.
Yeah, no stop, no passengers for here this morning. That is probably the strangest thing I have ever seen. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell, see you next one.
Position safety back 2 for joint.